Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kay and today's video is my unboxing of Look Fantastic. So if you don't know what Look Fantastic is, it is a monthly beauty subscription box from the website Look Fantastic. That is an online beauty retailer. They sell everything from hair care, makeup, beauty tools, pretty much anything beauty related. They're gonna have it. They do a lot of high-end brands, mid-range brands, drugstore brands, so there's a good range of everything for everybody really. But I will leave all the detailed information in the description box down below for you to check out as and when you feel like it. But basically this box contains 6 beauty products. It does tend to be a bit more skincare heavy, but there has been a good range of stuff over the last few months with makeup related products as well. It costs £15 a month, but you can take out a longer subscription term, which means that it brings the cost of your box down. So for instance, I've got a 12-month subscription at the moment, and that means that my boxes are £13 a month. So it just reduces the cost a little bit. So let's get into this box and see what we've got this month. So it's a lovely pink box because February is Valentine's month after all. By the time you're seeing this, Valentine's Day will have come and gone. It's been a very busy month. I apologise for the delay. It is what it is, and I'm still going to show you anyway. So on the inside of the lid there's usually a quote of some kind, and this month it says Amour, noun. A love affair or lover, especially one that is secret. There you go. So this is the Amour edit, and after this box had shipped I did receive an email from Look Fantastic to let me know that as part of their trying to become more sustainable, they've actually stopped sending out the complimentary copy of Elle Magazine every month. So usually we've had a copy of Elle Magazine. This month is the first month that we haven't had one. Now for me that's not such a big deal. I don't really read it anyway, but I guess for some people that's probably a bit annoying. But like I said, for me it doesn't matter. If you're not interested in magazines, it's not going to bother you either. And it was a complimentary copy. It didn't add any value to the box at all. It was just a little extra anyway, so that's that. You also get a little booklet in with the box, and this is just some information that lets you know about the products inside. There's usually some little articles in there as well, usually about the products or the brands associated with the products. So helpful, useful, quite interesting. I like having something like this in a box to refer to, and we're going to be referring to this as we go through the items in the box so that I can let you know a little bit more about them, like the price and what they can be used for. On the back of each book there is a sneak peek, so if you don't want to know what the sneak peek is, don't watch this particular part. I'll leave timestamps down below so that you can skip it quite easily. But the sneak peek for next month is... So it is the Madara Time Miracle Wrinkle Smoothing Eye Cream, and it's worth £35. Formulated with birch water, an ingredient scientifically proven to reverse aging damage, this gentle hydrating eye cream from Madara tackles signs of fatigue, crow's feet and fine lines from first use. So it's pretty cool. Eye creams are always something that I struggle to remember to use, but I have actually been quite good over the last few weeks, so I'm getting through the one I've got at the moment. I've got another one after that, but you never know when you're going to get them, so I'm always happy to try new ones. But yeah, that was that. So we're just going to have a look at the first page of the booklet just to read a little bit more about the edit and tell us what the whole theme's about. So this is the Amour edit, and it says, Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and this month's beauty box is here to celebrate all things love, from romance to friendships to that all-important self-love. This February, let our Amour edition help you celebrate love in all forms. Our February beauty box contains 6 products handpicked by the experts to make you feel adored, appreciated and all round amazing. We're also bringing you an exclusive interview with Esper's marketing manager and our top tips for date night makeup that'll last all night long. Happy Valentine's from Beauty Box HQ. So let's get into the actual items. It does come sort of wrapped up in tissue paper with a little sticker sealing it shut, and I'm just gonna get into that now. Got a bit of a dodgy wrist at the moment, so that makes life interesting. And oh, this looks quite interesting. And that is what we've got this month. So I'm going to go straight in with this item, and this was the sneak peek from last month's box. So it is the Esper. We're going to go with that pronunciation. I really like this packaging. Little glass bottle and marble effect lid, quite pretty. And it's the detoxifying body oil. So I do use body oils sort of not regularly, but maybe once or twice a week. Again, if I remember, it's one of those things that I tend to forget. But I do really like them when I use them. So I am going to just open it up and have a bit of a sniff. And oh, that felt really heavy and expensive when I opened that. Oh, that smells so good. I wish you could smell that. It's... let me read the description. It might actually tell me what it smells of rather than me trying to describe it, because I'm useless at describing scents. The body oil is worth £5. Designed to be used daily to firm skin and soothe muscles, this Esper body oil is formulated with a blend of aromatic oils such as juniper berry and cypress to delight your senses. Massage onto clean skin in firm circular motions until fully absorbed. Best used in the morning to feel the effects all day. That does sound really nice, and that really smells amazing. So really excited to try this. Really happy that that's in the box. So for me, first product, absolute win. Off to a good start. Okay, so the next product I'm going to pull out is this. So it's from Brushworks. There we go, and it is a beauty sponge. So looks like a typical beauty sponge to me. It's got a sort of flat bottom on it. Let me just get it out to show you. So it's got the typical sort of shape going on up here, and then underneath we've got the flat edge here. This feels really firm. Whether it'll soften up once it's damp, I don't know, but that feels really quite solid, which isn't a big deal, but I do sort of prefer softer sponges. I don't feel like I'm trying to sort of punch myself when I'm applying my makeup with the softer sponges. So we'll see how we get on with this. Let's just see what the book says. So this is the HD Wonder Complexion Sponge, and it's worth £5.49. Achieve a flawless base with the help of this Brushworks face sponge. Super soft, long lasting and specially designed to fit your facial contours. Blend your liquid makeup to perfection for professional results. Dampen sponge and wring out excess water. Use the round side to apply foundation, the flat side for contouring, the tip for under your eyes and smaller face areas. Super soft. I mean, the material feels super soft. It's quite, you know, soft to the touch, but in terms of sort of squishiness, not so much. So like I said, we'll see how we get on. So next we've got a lip mask. So it's Project Lip, I think the brand is for this one. So it's the Prep the Pout Hydrating, Smoothing and Collagen Infused Lip Mask. So quite like lip masks. I've tried a couple, and I do find that they make my lips feel more hydrated. Obviously I could probably get the same effect with a serum, but it's quite nice to just sort of pamper yourself a little bit with a mask of some kind. So quite like those. So let's see what the book says about it. So the lip mask is worth £3.95. Specially designed to target dry, chapped lips, the Project Lip Collagen Infused Hydrogel Lip Mask hydrates, smooths and plumps all in one. Remove film from both sides of the lip mask and apply to dry lips. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes before taking off. Rub in excess serum. So yeah, works the same way the other masks I've tried do. So happy to try that. So next is something that looks quite interesting. Oh, love the packaging on this. Doesn't that look really pretty? So it's the Now Bay Natural and Organic Origin Gentle Facial Toner. So that's actually quite useful. I've got another Now Bay product and it's actually a cleanser. I have used some of it, but I haven't used a lot because I tend to use my Caudalie cleanser more regularly. But I have tried it. I do quite like it. So now I can pair it with the toner. I quite like that. It says it's anti-aging, raspberry, marshmallow and marigold extracts. I've got to give this a sniff. It does have a fragrance, but it's really not that strong. It's not very overpowering at all, at least not while it's in the bottle. Let's just see if I can just get some out onto my skin. No, not a heavy fragrance at all. So light I can barely smell anything, but yeah. Let's see what the book says. So the face toner is worth £12.50. Formulated with nourishing raspberry, Altea and calendula extracts to bring amazing 4-in-1 benefits to the skin. Removing leftover traces of makeup, toning, soothing and hydrating your complexion. Use daily for smoother, more refined skin. Apply all over the face with a cotton pad twice daily after cleansing. So yeah, works the same way I would expect any other toner to work. Keen to give this a go actually, and again, packaging just lovely. I'm such a sucker for packaging. It's so bad. So bad. Next we've got, So next we've got we've got a Filorga product. So this is the miso mask. I have a feeling I might already have one of these. Might have come from a subscription box, might have come from a freebies goodie bag type thing, I'm not sure. But I think I might have one of these. I know I haven't tried it, because any Filorga products I've had I haven't tried yet. But let's see what the book says. See if I can refresh my memory. This is worth £12.60. This anti-wrinkle brightening face mask from Filorga will enhance your skin's natural radiance and target signs of ageing and tiredness from first application. Infused with NCTF, an anti-aging complex used in non-surgical procedures, the delicate cream will leave skin plumper, brighter and more even in tone. Apply a generous layer over the face, neck and décolletage. Leave for 15 to 30 minutes and remove using a damp cloth. So, sounds nice. As I said, if I have had this product before, I know I haven't tried it, but it is something that sounds interesting. I'd be keen to give it a go. So, not unhappy to have potentially another one. Not something that I would necessarily need at the moment, but it's okay. The last product we've got is tiny. What is this? So it is, hang on. Oh, okay. So it is an Elle lipstick. So it says antimatter lipstick. And I think the shade name is Bang. I don't know if you can see that. But right here, it says under here. I've never tried an Elle lipstick. I almost had one once. I was supposed to get one as a free gift when I signed up with Cohorted, but they ran out and sent me something else instead. So I never actually got to try it. So this is clearly a mini or a sample size. Let's have a little swatch. So that's what that looks like. I guess it's what you'd call a terracotta colour. I'm not sure that that's absolutely my shade, but it's something that I'm willing to give a try. So again, not unhappy to have it, and at least I get to try the formula now, so that's a bonus. And let's just see what the book says. Yeah, this is a mini, and the shade is in Bang, so it's worth £10, and it says enhance your pout in just one swipe with this mini Illamasqua antimatter lip product. Semi-matte and long wearing with a creamy texture that will soften your lips and add intense pigment all at once. Apply directly to the lips or with a lip brush. So I'm always a bit dubious about claims of being semi-matte and long wearing. Matte lipsticks tend to be a bit more long wearing than cream lipsticks, but semi-matte, I think it's going to be comfortable, but I don't necessarily believe that it's going to last me a long time. But I'll give it a go. I'll see what I think. As I said, I've been interested in trying one of these for a while, so happy that I'm finally going to get a chance to give it a go. So that is all of the products from this month's Look Fantastic. Just a quick recap then. So we've got the Esper body oil, we've got the Brushworks beauty sponge, we've got the Project lip mask, we've got the Now Bay toner, we've got the Filorga miso mask, and we've got the Illamasqua lipstick. So overall, I actually quite like this box. Last month's box I was a little bit disappointed with, so for me this is definitely a step up from last month. There's really only the mask in here that I'm a bit, I don't really need that, and the lipstick isn't necessarily a shade that I'd pick up, but it is a formula I want to try. So overall I'm really happy with this box. February's been a good month for Look Fantastic for me. So let me know in the comments down below what you think of this box. Is this a box that you want to try if you don't already? Do you already have Look Fantastic? If so, what do you think of the products? And yeah, just let me know. And that's everything then, guys. So if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all again in another video very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.